Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with moi. Today we're going to do something really different. So if you're not a big fan of reviews or unboxings, then feel free to leave. Otherwise stay, because this is a very exciting video for me anyway. So a few weeks ago I was contacted by Lighthouse Candles from Armenia. I'll just give you a little bit of a background of these guys. So they specialize in soy wax candles, which are made out of natural ingredients and pure fragrances, and I've not even opened them because I wanted to, you know, experience them for you guys firsthand. And also, I'm not sponsored by them at all, I'm not paid or anything. I'm just doing it because I'm really excited to review an Armenian product from Armenia. This is the first time I've ever done this, and also I'm a big fan of candles. So if you guys are a big fan of candles, stay tuned because I'm sure these are going to be great. I've had a few flicks through their Instagram. I'll put their Instagram down below in the description. Their stuff looks amazing. So let us get started. Okay, let me get my apparatus. Okay, we have knife and candles. What is this? A lighter? Okay, we have lighter and knife. Oh my god, this actually looks like the start of a horror film. I swear, we're just opening boxes, people. Okay, so apparently we have 6 candles in here. I actually have no idea what to expect. They've traveled all the way from Armenia, by the way. So I'm hoping that none of these are broken. I'm gonna do this very carefully without injuring myself or the candles. Probably not doing this the best way, am I? Open the boxes, open the boxes, open the boxes. I'm actually so excited. I've had these in my room for like maybe 2 weeks or something. So I've been so busy that I've just left them there and stared at them and just hoped that I can get them out because I really need some like candles out anyway. Oh, please, Nash, don't cut yourself. Please don't cut yourself. Wow, I mean, they sealed these tight, so I'm sure these are gonna be absolutely fine. Ooh, okay, nicely packaged. I love packaging. Look at that. How nice is that? I love these colors though, honestly. As a design student, while studying design for 3 years, this is honestly a design's dream. Okay, where do I even begin? We start with the first box and then go to the second. Let's do that. Let's get these out. So this is what they look like. Oh, sorry, it's really shiny. See, look how shiny it is. So this is the packaging. Oh my god, look at the sides. Oh my gosh, people probably like, why is it so exciting? But look, it's shiny. The packaging is amazing, man. Okay, so this one's called Eternity. There's 2 of each flavor, scent. Okay, there's 2 of each scent in each box, right? Okay, got it. What's this? Indigo Noir. This is the cutest thing. There's this thing that says on the back, story behind the candle. Let's read it out. Lighthouse Candle Company is about the will to brighten the homes. I cannot read. Lighthouse Candle. Oh shit, I'm just gonna break something. Lighthouse Candle Company is about the will to brighten the homes in Armenian near border villages. Our candle productions create impactful economic motion in small villages by creating vital jobs in those areas. We make our candles by creating in mind that we do this for our families and future. Thus, the Lighthouse Candle Company is built on quality, excellence, integrity, and devotion. See, I like that. So basically this company, they really want to just provide a lot of, you know, jobs for anyone in the villages in Armenia and stuff, which is really important because most jobs in Armenia are in Yerevan, if anyone doesn't know that. And this is a really nice little project, and also they have some really great products. So this next one's, okay, so this one's Enigma too. Are they just different colors? You know what, let's just get them all out and then we'll figure it out. Prosecco Rose. I feel like this is already gonna be my favorite. Prosecco Rose. Oh, look at the packaging! Indigo Blanche, Gold Berry. I like how each of the products has a different packaging. It's really nice and unique. I love it. Okay, so I have them all out. These are honestly so cute. So these are the 6 different flavors that they have. First of all, the packaging, I can't express enough how nice it is. I'm sure you guys can tell as well. Just the gold foil, everything, I'm obsessed with that. The first one that I'm gonna start with is Indigo Noir, which is supposedly really good for reducing stress. I feel like I'd be really benefited with this one. Oh my God, look at that. It's so nice. I can't believe these come from Armenia. It makes me feel so proud. So yeah, Indigo Noir. Woo! Oh, I love that sound. So they just look like normal soy candles. My favorite part, which is smelling candles. Honestly, I feel like I have a fetish for candles. Don't quote me on that. Let's see what it smells like. Now we wait. Okay, let's see how long it takes for it to smell as well, because that's a very important aspect. You also want it to actually smell, make your room smell good. Empowering. It has like it does, I can see why it's meant for stress, because if you have too much like overpowering smell, like the best way I can describe it is, you know, if you have rosemary and it's like too much, it gives you a headache. This won't give you a headache because it's very subtle. Yeah, this one's got, it kind of reminds me, and not in a bad way, of like really nice washing. That's the best way I can describe it. But I really like that smell. I don't know if it's just me, but you know, like freshly washed sheets. That's what it reminds me of. And it's got a tiny little bit of a talcum powder smell to it, which is actually really pleasant on my behalf. So we're gonna do a bit of a color scheme today. So next we're gonna have Enigma. Ooh! This candle's meant to work on the limbic system, so therefore it controls your emotions and your behavior. So that's lit. They light so quickly. Oh, I love this one. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Did I just inhale fire? I don't know what I just did there. I just made some weird noise. This reminds me of Christmas. I don't know what it is. It just reminds me of Christmas so much. Is there like cinnamon in there or something? You can't not have that smell in your house. It's just so warming and you feel at home and you want to just be in a blanket. It's just like the nicest feeling ever. So this one's definitely going here. So if you really like more of an overpowering smell of like cinnamon and like spices, I think it's more spicy, this one. Going for Eternity. This one's got a vanilla tone to it. I think this is vanilla tobacco, but it's more of a vanilla flavor than flavor. I need to stop calling these flavors when they're just not edible. It'd be kind of cool if you could eat a candle at the same time. No, that's a really bad idea. This one's more vanilla-y than tobacco-y. So if you're not really into that strong tobacco smell, this is like got a little bit of both. This one's so nice. This one's so like, it's got a sweet flavor, but also the tobacco-y scent. So vanilla's actually antidepressant and mood lifter. So therefore this with the tobacco, which relieves stress, is a really nice combination. They're all stress relieving so far. So, I mean, I don't think any of these you're gonna put in and be like, oh my God, I'm so uptight right now, I wanna punch a wall. No, I think these are all, to be honest, any candle will de-stress you. The like little flame, the smells, just relax. Have a nice like, I don't know what you have, coffee, tea. I don't know what you guys have to de-stress, but this is great. Really, really nice. Ooh, okay, this one sounds really exciting for me. This one's Prosecco Rose. I love Prosecco and I love Rose. So, I mean, can we go wrong with this? I don't think so. I smell the Rose, not smelling the Prosecco so much, but let's see what it's like. Ooh, I got so many candles. I'm actually so happy. It's putting me in such a good mood. This makes me so happy. I don't know if you can see, but it says made in Armenia. Let's go close without burning my hair off. See, made in Armenia, how exciting. You know what's funny? I actually can see the different colors of the wax. So this rose one has a pinkish tone to it, which is really nice because I just love rose everything. I love rose mastica, I like rose Turkish Delight. I just love rose by itself. I like the rose drink. Just give me anything rose and I love it. So far, more rosy. I think it's got a hint of something else which I can't see as Prosecco right now. Yeah, so this Prosecco Rose one's meant to be the most calming out of all the candles, and it's meant to decrease your blood pressure and everything. So I think this is going to be quite popular amongst the older crowd. Like, obviously I'm a big fan of rose, and I'm sure there's people younger that like rose too, but I feel like rose is quite an elderly smell, but I just love it. So for me, this is good. So I'm not saying don't get this one because you're younger. If you like rose, then get this one because it is very rosy. Okay, Indigo Blanche. It's sucked on there. It won't come off. Oh, we're good. We got it off, guys. We have some success. Okay, this reminds me again of the Indigo Noir a little bit, but this is stronger than the Indigo Noir. More of a floral scent than that one had. Yeah, so this one, Indigo Blanche, is inspired by Eastern philosophies like happiness, eternity, and enlightenment. So that's what this scent came from. You know what? The Prosecco Rose is really doing me something right now. Okay, so this one is Golden Berry. I reckon this is gonna be really fruity. I was not wrong with this one. This is like very strawberry. So apparently this is, filled with like loads of berries. And apparently, which I didn't know this, children perform better with activities and tests when they are exposed to scents like this. So maybe if you've got like loads of kids running around, this would be really good. I really like this one so far. This one's definitely my favorite. I thought it was the Eternity, but it seems like so far, this Golden Berry one's doing me favors. I love sweet smells, so this is the thing. That's why I think I would go for the cinnamon and this one and the rose. I mean, I like them all so far. Guys, okay, I thought I could pick, but now that I smell them again, I've just had a little sniff. Not gonna lie, I think the first one, Indigo Noir, is probably my least favorite, but the rest, I would definitely like them all the time. But yeah, so far these are all great. I really like them. I'm very thankful for Lighthouse Company for sending these to me. Thank you so much. If you guys are actually interested in buying these, let me know. I will contact them because of course they're in Armenia. And if you're in Armenia, I will link down below where you can buy them straight from the website. Whereas if you're anywhere else, just let me know if you're interested in bulk and whatever, and I will contact David, who is the owner of these guys, and we will get you guys sorted. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys again very soon. I'm sure it'll be probably some travel stuff again coming up, but stay tuned for some really good content, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell because then you won't miss any of my videos, and that's very important, isn't it? Okay, we're gonna blow these bad boys out. Yeah, that was really fun. All right, guys, bye. If I don't die of suffocation.